All right, we're gonna shoot an impromptu video. Hi, Rich.
Hey.
All right, so we obviously are in a home that's in the framing stage. What are some things that you want to look for when walking a home in this stage?
Well, obviously the first thing you look for is the layout of the home, but you're also looking at the quality of construction. You're looking at what kind of materials are being used, like the Advantech flooring, those types of things. I-beam floor joists. You're just basically looking for quality of construction, which this is exceptional. This is absolutely exceptional. Your Pella windows. Trying to get bearings on the layouts here, but this is beautiful construction. You look for your blocking. You look for just general construction details that sometimes you don't find in the track builds. The big open front door. Detail here, coffered ceilings. Big open great room and kitchen, dining area. Is that going to be a fireplace? Fireplace is over there. I wonder what this is going to be. I don't know. We'll have to look at the plans. Pantry, big pantry. It's going to be a guest room.
This is niche.
Huh?
Niche is what's labeled right here.
Oh, they're going to put the niche for the shower. I got you. Yeah. Good catch. Good catch.
Well, it's nice when the framers label what's going on.
Big side porch. There'll be big sliders right here that'll go in. I believe this is a second floor master, so it's got a first floor guest room. And then we're going to have, I think the master of this one is upstairs. Yep.
Beautiful windows set up here.
So the loft is going to open into the balcony that's going to overlook the pond. That'll be really nice. Big open loft. And the master's up here. This will be the master bedroom. Walk-in shower with a seat. Looks like they're going to glass the whole thing in because there's no wall. Big closet. The closet's huge. Private toilet. Washer dryer's going to be up here. That's going to be the washer dryer.
Okay, so washer dryer in here.
Another bedroom, another bathroom.
Okay.
So it's two masters upstairs, another bedroom downstairs. Very cool. So they opened up the loft which theoretically could be a 4th bedroom in this floor plan. Nice. Very cool.
Well, this home is out in Beulah Park out in Grove City. If you have any interest, Rich here would love to hear from you.
Absolutely.
It's a great builder.
Okay, so just took a walk through. This is the first time we've been in this house. This is out in Beulah Park in Grove City. Awesome little community that's being put up out here, beautifully designed. Really huge park across the street. Absolutely going to be wonderful. Give us a call, 614-554-7705, and let us know what you're looking for.